Hello everyone, this is Silvia, owner of the Salsa with Silvia Dance Studio. I'm here to tell you that we're going to virtually celebrate our anniversary. So save the date, April 11. We're gonna have a full day of workshops followed by a virtual dance party with DJ Joffre. Yes, and all the funds are going to help us open doors again. Don't miss it. We're gonna have some special guests like Ace and Ciara teaching Dominican Bachata, Yoii Campo teaching Salsa Caléna, myself teaching spinning and choreography, and a lot of your Salsa with Silvia instructors teaching workshops throughout the day. Register salsawithsilvia.com. Thank you for your support. Please keep sharing. Stay home, stay safe, so we can see you here soon. Thank you so much.